Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to align your Ram 2500. First, let's prepare for the alignment. You'll need to park your truck on a perfectly level surface to ensure accurate measurements. Gather your tools, including 2 tape measures, jack stands for safety, and a tie rod wrench. Don't forget to check and set your tire pressures to the manufacturer's specifications before you begin. Next, it's crucial to inspect your truck's suspension and steering. Look for any worn or damaged parts, especially in the ball joints and tie rod ends. Have a friend gently turn the steering wheel while you check for any play in these components. Then, using your tape measures, carefully measure the distance between the front and rear of your tires to assess the current toe setting. Now, let's adjust the front toe, which is often the most critical adjustment for a Ram 2500. Begin by loosening the jam nuts on both tie rods. Then, carefully rotate the tie rods to adjust the toe. For solid axle trucks, aim for a total toe setting as close to 0 degrees as possible, ideally between 0 and 0.05 degrees of toe in. This helps stabilize the steering. Finally, consider your caster angle, which influences steering stability and how your wheel returns to center. This is adjusted using eccentric washers on the lower control arms. It's important to set both caster adjusters equally to avoid any chassis lean. After all adjustments, securely tighten every nut. Then, take your Ram 2500 for a test drive to ensure it tracks straight and handles correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.